Connaughton, a former baseball pitcher at Notre Dame, showing off that. Picked up on the deflection by Taj. Good if it goes! He got it! In the best USC tradition, he looked like a quarterback throwing that the length of the floor. The lead is 3. Love, LeBron, and got it! Banks it in!
Launches. Oh! Money! Draymond Green actually leaving the court. He's upset. Morant from half court. Oh, he puts it in! John Morant from half court at the buzzer. Looking for the baseball pass. He's got Moutier. Moutier lets it go! He got it! He got it! Slide is the ball out of his hands. Bobble. Oh, it's out. It's out. It is out. George for 3. Off the mark. Loose ball. And they get another possession. He threw up a... Oh! I can't believe it went in! Paul George. And he was looking for... James fires to Smith. Smith puts it up. Oh, he puts it in! J.R. Smith at the buzzer! The pass right on target, Mark. Oh, absolutely great execution coming out of the timeouts.
Siakam disrupts it. Lamb has to throw it up. Oh, my! It goes! It goes! A desperation 3. Got to get it in. Here's Luka. Gets it away. It's gone! A Doncic dagger! He wins it. The 3. As he was stumbling, he somehow got it to go.
And that is the end. Oh! To the bucket.
I mean, that's a clean look by Darius Miller, but that's a line drive by Darius Miller. I think he got it out of his hand clean. And that's a bucket.
Inbound to J.R. Smith. His shot is good! J.R. Smith casually firing from the back court, and it went swish. The bench still standing.
Adams going long. Morant.
Oh, he hit it! He hit it! John Morant, insanity! There's the miss. Oh, the cow! Oh my God! That goes
in. Missed it. Embiid. Oh! Wow!
Wow! That almost went in. 5 seconds to go in the quarter. Gay puts it on the deck to the rim. Finishes with the left hand. Curry, three-quarter court. Good off the glass. Beats the buzzer with a banked-in 3 for his first triple of the quarter.
No timeouts. The ball is inbounded to Shea. Temple did not foul. And Shea on the step back still buries the 3 seconds.
And you know what's interesting about that? He was trying.
Oh, Graham! Count the bucket for the win.
Nuggets knock it away. They'll foul him. And oh my gosh. Brandon Ingram hooks one up from half court. So the heave is good.
In double figures the game before.
JaVale to beat the clock.
Oh, it's good! JaVale banks it in. The bank is open on a Sunday.
Dominating out of the gate.
You see the pass goes almost to midcourt. JaVale reads the clock and banks in the triple.
Curry flings it the other way, and he got it! What a turnaround! Curry the 3!
The only thing I ever see you put down is water or green tea. Oh! That's why Kyle extended his arm.
Bane tosses it up. It's in! Desmond Bane beats the buzzer on an excuse me three.
0.6 of a second. Brunson will bring it about.
Space.
Oh! Doncic buries a three out of the corner. Can you believe that? Catch and shoot.
Bag of tricks. Just get it in. And he does to Melo. Quarter's going to end. That might count if it goes. It goes! It goes! Malik Monk from half court. And that's exactly why.
With Holiday to turn it over. Buddy's got a little bit of time. Launches. Got it! Buddy ball!
Steps into the deep three, and why not?
Wow. Wow.
Booker got it. Are you kidding me? That defines the phrase grandma shot.
I have never seen anything like that in a game, ever.
Oh my goodness. He went up for the dunk. It got knocked away. He regathered in air and reverses it off the backboard.
Now no fouls. It'll be Steven Adams.
They give Steven Adams some.
And
wow!
the one-hander from half court.
Wow!
Overtime game. Hit a three-pointer to win it to Durant. Muskie, 2 seconds. Dennis from midcourt. Got it!
Dennis Schroeder!
From Pac-Man logo.
Flew in, couldn't finish. Redick, does he have one more in him? He does! Banking it home!
At the shot clock, nice double pump. When you have it going, Ryan.
To Ulis. Up ahead to Booker. Booker turns, fires, got it!
Buddy Hield. Buddy Hield! Oh, boy! The Kings come to Motown and they steal the game! From the Detroit Pistons, teammate of Chauncey back in the day. Now, Vlatko Cancar, 15-footer on the way. Ball through his legs. And Jokic in the lane, put it up and in.
That play a while ago, just off his hands, but he stays with it.
Great set, right through the wickets.
Yeah, right there to the long snap, and then all of a sudden,
Double clutch. Off the rim. Curry has time. 3 seconds. Curry from half court. Oh! He puts it in at the buzzer.
Timeouts for the Wolves, 4.7 seconds. Gibson's got to get it in, does. Wiggins drives across midcourt. Andrew lets it fly at the buzzer for the win. Andrew Wiggins banks it in, and the Timberwolves.
On time. Minnesota circling out, trying to get somebody open to be able to give him the basketball. Unbelievable shot by Andrew Wiggins.
Waiters, back to Dwayne. Shoots. No, he couldn't get it off. Now fires it up. Bank it in! It counts! It counts! The Heat win the game!
Morant, Harden. They back off on the double. Durant, the jumper doesn't go. Rebound, Blake Griffin in a crowd, and a foul call. Durant is very upset. Griffin just put that one in on a circus shot.
Who's going to get the shot here? Gets it in. Middleton for the tie. Oh my goodness! Chris Middleton ties it. Get some of this rhythm back before the playoffs or the play-in. Conley puts up the last shot. Count if it goes, and it goes. Mike Conley, a running three.
Not again! DJ Augustine.
Stay up high, taking anybody coming to the ball.
Series on the line. Anunoby got it off, and it goes! Did it count is the question. OG Anunoby buries a triple.